Hi, this is Mark Kretschmar. I'm hoping you'll join me on April 20th at the Sales and Marketing Executives Luncheon, where we're going to talk about sales presentations. We all do them. We've been doing them for a long time. We're reasonably successful with them. But maybe we should sit back and take a look at that structure. What are we doing with our presentation? What has neuroscience and psychology taught us recently that might help us be better at it? I'm currently doing a series on LinkedIn about breaking the rules of presentations. There are all these well-meaning, well-intentioned rules that are supposed to help us give better presentations, but in light of psychology and neuroscience, they actually make it worse. So we'll touch on that as well. I hope to see you on April 20th at the Sales, Marketing, and Executives Luncheon. It's going to be a good time. I hope you're there.